Dear students, in first lesson, chapter 1 arithmetic progression, it is generally known as AP. In this lesson, we will learn definition and example of AP, identification of AP, general form of AP, nth term and sum of the nth term of AP. So consider the list of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, 2, 4, 6, 100, 150, 200. So in all these cases, here each successive numbers are obtained by adding a fixed number. So in first example, each successive numbers are obtained by adding 1. So here in this case 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. Here we added 1 to get each successive terms. So it is nothing but we added fixed number. So in second case also, here we get 4 by adding 2. 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. So here also in this case 100 plus 50 is 150, 150 plus 50 is 200. In all three cases, we added fixed term to get next term. So this is nothing but this type of or this list of number is called AP. So an AP is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. So to know the definition of this AP, yes, this is a list of numbers. Yes, we see here the list of numbers. Here each term is obtained by adding fixed term. Yes, here we added fixed term, then we will get a AP. Here we added fixed term to the preceding term. Yes, 2 is a number, the preceding term is 1. When we add fixed term to the preceding term, that is 1 is added to 1, then we get to get 3, we need to add 1 to preceding term, that is 2 plus 3 is 2 plus 1 is 3. So on, we will get the successive terms. So this is the definition of AP. So yes, generally the general form of AP is 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, on taking this example, yes, I consider this is a first term, that is I call this as A1, this is A2, this is A3, yes, this is A4, yes, here so on, there may be last term. The last term I just write this as nth term, that is last term is AN. So here in this case, I take the first term as A. Yes, here we need to add a fixed number. Here the fixed number or fixed term. Yes, here the fixed term is called CD. That is, this is a CD is nothing but the common difference. We denote this one by D. Here the common difference means the difference between the consecutive numbers. Yes, when we 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1, 4 minus 3 is 1. So that is what the difference is. 1 here, that is fixed number. Yes, here also 4 minus 2 is 2, 6 minus 4 is 2. That is the difference is 2. This is what the fixed number. This is called the common difference. We denote this by D. Yes, here when we add the fixed number to the preceding term, we will get next number. So here A is a first number. I add a fixed term to A, that is A plus D. We will get second term. To get third term, we need to add the fixed term to the preceding term. This is the preceding term. A plus D is second term. Yes, we need to add fixed term. Yes, so on. Again, we need to add the fixed term to this. Then we get next term. That is A plus D. We need to add again a fixed number. That is, this is generally written as a plus d, a plus d is 2d, a plus 3d, so on the last term an. Yes, this is what the general form of AP. Yes, this is the general form of AP. The general form of AP is a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, so on. The last term is an, that is nth term is an. So we need to find out nth term. We will learn this in next class. Is consider the example 246 dash dash. Yes, this is a AP. So here in this case we will get, so this is called A1, A2, A3, so on. We know A1 is A, A2 is second term. The general form of AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, so on. So first term is A, second term is A plus D, and third term is A plus 2D. So here in this case, so we know that the common difference is fixed. The common difference is, that is, when we subtract 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2 is 2, yes, 6 minus 4 is 2, or otherwise we will have 8 here. So 8 minus 6 is also 2. So this is 2, this is 2, this is 2. The common difference is always 2. It is nothing but 4 is second term, that is A2. This is first term A1 is equals to, this is third term A3 minus 4 is second term, and this is fourth term, this is third term. So on we can write the, this is what the, we will get the fixed number, that is common difference. This is also known as D. Here A2 minus A1 equals to A3 minus A2 equals to A4 minus A3 is equals to D. This is a difference, common difference. So A1, A2, A3, A4 dash dash, last term, that is nth term is An. So preceding term of this is an minus 1. Yes, we need to subtract 1 from n. We will get preceding term. See, same as if this is A4, 4 minus 1 is 3. That is, this is the preceding term. So n is nth term, then n minus 1 is the preceding term. So the difference between these two, that is, we know A4 minus A3 is common difference. So similarly an minus 1 is common difference, D. So this is one more formula we need to learn in this lesson.